Hi students. So this is the first lecture of chapter 2 of class 10 banking. The weightage of this chapter is 3 to 4 marks in board exams. You get one question of 3 or 4 marks. A very simple, a very small chapter. Everyone knows bank. Bank is an institution which carries on the business of, taking loan, deposits, giving loans, share transactions, credit facilities and all. वहाँ पे बहुत सारे टाइप्स के अकाउंट्स होते हैं बैंक में. यू कैन ओपन अ सेविंग अकाउंट, है ना. यू कैन ओपन अ करंट अकाउंट. यू कैन ओपन शेयर ट्रेडिंग अकाउंट. Here we study in this chapter a special type of account that's called as recurring deposit account. So we're going to study recurring deposit account. So what is recurring deposit account? The recurring deposit account में है ना, a depositor has to choose a particular amount, okay, and he has to deposit that amount every month for a certain period of time. उसको पहले टाइम डिसाइड करना होता है. अब बैंक में जाके बोलोगे हम लोग को एक रिकरिंग डिपॉजिट अकाउंट खोलना है, तो वो लोग बोलेंगे आप हर महीने कितना पैसा डिपॉजिट करोगे, कितने टाइम के लिए डिपॉजिट करोगे और कब उसको विड्रॉ करोगे. सो यू हैव टू पे दैट अमाउंट एवरी मंथ फॉर अ सर्टन फिक्स्ड पीरियड ऑफ टाइम. जैसे आपने बोला मैं 10 साल तक पे करूँगा, सो एवरी मंथ यू हैव टू पे दैट अमाउंट, वट एवर अमाउंट यू डिसाइड, एंड फॉर 10 years you have to pay. So at the end of the 10 years, you can withdraw the money and they give you a certain amount of interest on that. So the amount goes on increasing, recurring, and the interest plus the amount what you have paid every month, that total value which gets accumulated, that's called the maturity value. 10 साल के बाद जितना पैसा आपने भरा है प्लस उसका जो भी इंटरेस्ट होगा वो मिला के जो पैसा मिलेगा, दैट्स कॉल्ड एज द मैच्योरिटी वैल्यू ऑफ अ रिकरिंग डिपॉजिट अकाउंट. ओके, ना वो इंटरेस्ट कैसे कैलकुलेट होगा और उसकी मैच्योरिटी वैल्यू कैसे कैलकुलेट करनी है, दैट्स व्हाट यू स्टडी इन दिस चैप्टर. सो सपोज यू डिपॉजिट a principal amount of P. So if a sum of rupees P, okay, this is the amount you deposit every month. See, for sum of rupees P is deposited every month, is deposited every month in the bank for say n months, for n number of months. So n is the number of months, okay, months. Now suppose the bank gives you a rate of interest of, so bank gives the rate of interest R%. So R is the rate of interest, okay. The bank gives you a rate of interest R% per year. So you being paying rupees P every month. आपने हर महीने P rupees भरना है for n months, and the bank is offering the rate of interest of R% per year, okay. So the interest on the whole deposit, ये पूरा deposit जितना पैसा आपने भरा है उसका interest is calculated using the formula. So उसका interest is given by, see, a formula to find the interest will be I, interest is I, is equals to P into N into N plus 1 upon 2 into 12 upon 2 into 12. It's 2 into 12 into R upon 100, where R is the rate of interest. So this is the formula to find the interest. The formula I is equals to P into N plus 1 upon 2 into 12 into R upon 100. I is equals to P into N into N plus 1 upon 2 into 12 into R upon 100. Here I is the interest, what you get after the maturity time. P is the amount you deposit every month. N is the number of months and R is the rate of interest. Okay, and then you can find, this is the interest you get, and one more term you should know about this is maturity value. So maturity find करने के लिए पहले आपको total amount deposit find करना पड़ेगा, right? So what is the total amount deposited? Total amount deposited, जितना पैसा आपने भरा है. Okay, now total amount deposited will be the amount you deposit every month into number of months, right? है ना? If you are paying 100 rupees every month for 1 year, 100 rupees every month for 1 year. Okay, every month for 1 year. So 1 year you have 12 months. Every month if you pay 100 rupees, in 12 months you will be paying 1200 rupees. So principal into N आएगा. So you can write the amount deposited is P into N. P into N. P is the principal and N is the number of months. Clear? So you know the interest. एक बार वापस check करो. Interest I is equals to P into N plus 1 upon 2 into 12 into R upon 100. Okay? And the total amount deposited is Pn. So after maturity आपको कितना पैसा मिलेगा? जो पैसा आपने भरा है वो plus you will get the interest, right? So that amount जो आपको मिलेगा, that's called maturity value of the recurring deposit. It's called the maturity value of the recurring deposit. So the maturity value, you can write that as MV of the recurring deposit, maturity value of the recurring deposit. So that formula MV is equals to, so that formula MV maturity value will be equals to the amount you have deposited plus the interest, है ना? So amount deposited was Pn plus the interest was P into N plus 1 upon 2 into 12 into R upon 100. So Pn plus P into N plus 1 upon 2 into 12 into R upon 100. It's Pn plus P into N plus 1 upon 2 into 12 into R upon 100. Clear? Now this is the only formula you apply for finding the maturity value of a recurring deposit account. Clear to all? Now you have sums based on these formula where they might give you the value of P, N, R, you have to find the maturity value, or they might give you the value of maturity value P, R, and you got to find the value of N, or they might give you maturity value P, N or R find करना. So these type of questions you have there. Okay. So this is the formula. Please remember both the formulas. Interest का formula is P into N plus 1 upon 2 into 12 into R upon 100. Amount deposited is P into N, and maturity value is Pn plus P into N plus 1 upon 2 into 12 into R upon 100. Maturity value is Pn plus P into N plus 1 upon 2 into 12 into R upon 100. Clear? So in the next video, we will solve sums based on